Well, generally, most of the big brands in apparel industries, in the apparel industry, have a network of around 2,000 odd retailers. We are here with us, Mr. Sandeep Saxaria, JMD, Joint Managing Director, JG Hosiery, and he has a brands like Amul and Macho, a really large brand that has sales points running into lakhs. We would like to know how he is facing inventory challenge and how he plans to deal with this. What are the possible solutions? Dr. Hadik, please get me Mr. Sandeep Saxaria.
Good evening, everybody.
Good evening.
Well, there is a saying called tough time calls for smart thinking.
Yes.
So now what we are discussing about how to manage the inventory that is stuck in our system, in our whole value supply chain. Now, deep discounting is one way of handling it. First, let's see what kind of nature of the industry we are in. We are in roti, kapda, makan, kapda. So once this whole lockdown thing eases up, the first thing a consumer would be requiring is a apparel, basic apparel. So we are into an industry which has got a natural, immediate requirement. Now, beyond that, what is going to happen once this whole thing eases up? Will we be getting the production that we are thinking about? We are into a situation where production will be a major issue. The labor has migrated to their native places, so there will be a huge shortage of labor. Raw materials will be difficult to procure. Even if you are importing some raw materials, it would be difficult to procure. The supply chain is blocked. Now, another thing that they are calling for is social distancing across all levels. Now, in our garment industry, social distancing is a very practical problem because the factories are normally operating in small places with a lot of labor working in small cramped places. So I think production would be a major problem. Seeing that, how do we see the whole scenario? The supply chain is constrained. There's an immediate requirement for the product. Now for the retailers, if we talk about how should they address this whole issue of managing their inventory? Because the whole point is getting blocked at the retail point. If the retail point gets cleared, the distributor supply chain gets cleared, the company supply chain gets cleared. If we talk about the retailers, what are the issues a retailer should see when he's addressing the inventory issue? First, he should be smart in handling his merchandise. His whole stock system, he should be very smart at managing it. As we call it, there's a system called 80:20 in management. Normally 20% of your product takes care of 80% of your sales. So if you take care of your 20% of your products, that the stock level is well maintained, so your 80% of the sales has been taken care. Second, if we go for, you should be having a smaller stock cycle. You should be getting into a process of refilling your stock faster. You should be giving smaller orders so that your working capital is not getting blocked. If you are maintaining a stock of, let's say, 10 days, you should come to it as for a 4-5 days cycle. You should be maintaining a smaller stock cycle and you should be checking on your stocks very fast. So that are smart ways of managing your stock. You should liquidate your dead stock very fast. You should differentiate between what is your fast moving item, what is your slow moving item. Then comes demand. What is demand? Demand is a function of two things. A, natural requirement. B, created requirement. That we call desire. How to create a desire? Natural requirement, we all know that you are into apparel, so there will be natural requirement for your product. But when called about desire, how to create that desire? There are two ways of creating a desire. A, through a new product that you give to a market. So if you're talking to a consumer and you would tell them that, see, I've got something new for you, and this is something, a hygienic product, since we are into, everybody is into this mindset of getting some bio products, some organic product. So this is one way of tackling the issue of creating a demand. Second is, we call it schemes. Now, deep discounting is a part of when we call about schemes. So shall we do it deep discounting or shall we find another way of creating this desire? I think deep discounting won't get you anywhere because decreasing the ticket size is not the question. The idea is to increase the consumption. So instead of giving a deep discount, you can say that, okay, on 4 pieces, I am giving you 1 piece free, or you come out with something more different kind of a scheme. So that is one way of creating a demand. Then other than that, what else we can do to liquidate our inventory or to make our inventory move fast? Now we are into a age where we can very well use the technology. All the retailers have a great database of their consumers. The dealers, distributors have a great database of their retailers. So we can use WhatsApp, we can use other apps to connect with our consumers. We can send them, as Mr. Hemant Bhai had already mentioned earlier, we can send them e-brochures through technology, through WhatsApp. We can take orders through WhatsApp, and we can do video calling to demonstrate products to them if they don't want to come to your place. And also, instead of getting the customers to your place, we reach to the consumers. So the retailers start activating their local area supply. So the retailers go to the consumer end and supply the product. I think that would be the next big trend that would be coming in. Other than that, I think hygiene would be a very important issue. When a consumer is coming to your place, today the hygiene of your retail counter, of your retail outlet, is the best welcome board you can have. So that we should be taking care. There should be proper distancing. There should be mask. There should be sanitizing. All the things should be well taken care of. So if we take care of these issues, I think for current situation, we can take care of the whatever inventory is there in place. And we should be also keeping in mind that, first of all, of course, the demand would be low, seeing the scenario. It won't be the same as we were experiencing it earlier. But at the same time, the supply will also be low. We won't be getting the kind of production we were achieving earlier. I think the market will open first, and then the factories will start getting opening. So seeing the scenario, we should not get into a deep discounting mode. We have other ways of liquidating our inventory. All we need to do is that we need to be much more intelligent in handling this whole thing. And we should remember one thing: the biggest asset with a small retailer and with a dealer distributor is their strength of bondage with the consumers and customers that they create. So they should be leveraging on that rather than discounting. And once this whole supply chain gets eased up, of course, the company's supply chain will also be moving faster. I think this is the way forward.
थैंक यू संदीप जी, बहुत अच्छा बोला संदीप जी ने. व्हाट आई अंडरस्टैंड, संदीप जी कहना चाह रहे हैं कि रिटेलर को स्मार्ट वेज पर ज्यादा डिपेंडेंट रहना चाहिए. जैसे 80-20 थ्योरी है, 20% जो गुड्स ज्यादा फास्ट करते हैं, फास्ट मूवमेंट है, उन पर कॉन्सेंट्रेट करना चाहिए. और दे शुड गो फॉर शॉर्टर सप्लाई आइटम ऑर्डर्स, ताकि रिप्लेनिशमेंट फास्टर हो. थर्ड, आपने बोला कि वी शुड डिपेंड ऑन द डिमांड क्रिएट करना चाहिए अराउंड इनोवेटिव प्रोडक्ट्स, हाइजीन प्रोडक्ट्स एंड परफॉर्मेंस प्रोडक्ट्स, जो आज की डेट के अंदर ज्यादा जरूरी है. गुड आइडिया शेयर्ड संदीप जी.